Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fabulous day today. I just stopped by just for a second to show a quick way to make a gift, really fabulous and different. My sister called from another state and told me to pick up a gift for our mother whose birthday is this weekend, and she specifically stated to make it beautiful when I wrapped it. So I didn't want a regular gift box or bag. So I kind of went around and picked up something that was inexpensive, but that would be very impactful and that I thought my mom would like because she's fabulous. So yeah, she is rather fabulous at 87. So anyway, I'm gonna shoot you a quick video on how to make a gift bag, also a gift. And so it should be really super cool and I think you'll like it. Okay, so here we are. My sister purchased 3 pots for my mom. And I guess I should have kept one out so you can see it. They're actually canisters, blue and white. One says coffee and another says flour and the other one says sugar. And I got them from Hobby Lobby. My sister told me to pick these up for my mom, and I went by, I purchased them for her for my mother's birthday on behalf of my sister who, as I stated before, lives out of town. And I wanted to make it the gift bag fabulous, as she said she wanted it to be. And so I went to Five Below and got this nice tote. It actually stands alone on its own and it's lined. So I thought it was cute. And also, it is a little glitter on it. It's blinging. So let's try to move it where you can see it. So my mom will definitely like it. And so this was $5 for a lined tote bag that she can use for an overnight trip or going to the beach with family or what have you. And so also this was $5, and so I put the gifts in. They were already wrapped in the paper, so I don't have to worry about them breaking. Hobby Lobby wraps all of their glassware and so forth for you, so that's something you don't have to worry about. And also from Five Below, I brought these beautiful gift sheets. I brought 2 packs. One pack had the gold, white, and also it was striped and also a gold polka dot. And the other pack had purple and 2 shades of pink and actually 2 shades of purple. And they were $1 a piece, and it was 8 sheets in each pack, so that was reasonable. For a bag and tissue paper for a nice gift, and it will be something that my mother will like, and it's just not the regular little gift bag that you can get from anywhere. So I'll just show you how I put together the tissue paper. There's no really rhyme or reason to it, really. This is just my style normally, what I do. I lay the first sheet down, and then I took another colorful sheet and I lay it on top, but I put it a little angle so that the ends are not the same. See how they're different? So you put the other one on top, and you're going to do the same thing with your next sheet. So on this particular gift, I used 3 sheets for each one. And then I have it here. And I just take it like this, like a triangle at the bottom. And then I stuff it in here. Well, I know my mother will love it because it has all of the elements of things that she loves. She loves blue and white, which is something, being from the South, that is very Southern. It's very classic. You see it in a lot of homes here, and she loves it, so she's gonna love that. And then she has this cute tote bag that she can use not just when she gets the gift. It can be used later for overnight trips or for whatever she'd like to have. If we're taking her to the park or something, she want to sit by the water and bring some books and snacks for a picnic. You can use it for that as well. So I think it turned out really nicely, and I'm pretty sure she's going to be ecstatic about it. So I hope you like this little gift idea. Go out and get you a nice bag and do something different with your gift the next time that you have to do a present for someone, and make it something that's memorable. It's all about making things memorable and not just throwing something together. So it's Vicki Sykes with Casa by Vicki Sykes. So thanks, and have a fabulous day.